Hi, I'm Will from Unleashed. In this video, I'm going to explain the 4 different types of purchase orders that may exist within a business. The first one is a standard purchase order, then we have a planned purchase order, then we have a blanket purchase order, and finally a contract purchase order. So let's look at each of these in a bit more detail. So the standard purchase order is where we know all the information about what we're ordering. So we know the quantity, we know the price, and we know the delivery schedule, so when we can expect that product to arrive in our warehouse. And those are the most common purchase orders that will be sent for a business. The next one that is most common is the planned purchase order. Under this purchase order, we know all the information except the delivery schedule. So we know how much it costs us, we know how many we want, but the delivery schedule may differ. An example for this could be our supplier does not have all of the stock that we need. So they're going to drip feed that stock until everything comes in. That differs from a standard purchase order because under a standard purchase order, we know our supplier has all the product that we need. Under a blanket purchase order, we don't know the price, we don't know the quantity, and we don't know when we are going to order it. We're just advising our supplier that we need you to have a certain amount in stock. A great example could be a lawnmower shop, and they need to have a certain amount of spark plugs in stock. So they'll advise their supplier that we might need to order up to 200 spark plugs per quarter. So then what we're doing is we're asking our supplier to keep 200 on hand, ready to send to us as we need them. How that is different to the other 2 purchase orders is we're actually physically asking for them to send the stock once we send our purchase orders. Under the blanket purchase order, however, we're just advising them that we need that stock available for when it is required at our end. The final type of purchase order is a contract purchase order. Now these are the least common. Under this, we don't know the quantity, we don't know the price, and we don't know when it's going to deliver, and we also don't know when we are going to be ordering it. It's more of just a contract of an understanding between the supplier and the customer that at some stage in the future, we are going to want to order stock from you. So this is more of a contract around terms rather than a purchase order that they would then issue the stock to us. So I hope that was useful for you. If you'd like to see that in action in Unleashed, click this link to another short video that I've made. If you'd like to learn more about the software itself, click through to our webinar page for an in-depth tour.